The lights in my garage are pretty bright. However, as most of you know, if you work in your garage a lot, you can never have too much light. And these lights right here, each bulb is only about 700 lumens a piece. So I started to wonder, how can I get more light in my garage, but not actually have to add more lights to the garage? And that's when I found these Kami LED 2x2 lights, and I said, that's gonna give me a lot more light with minimal work. So let me show you guys how easy it is for you to upgrade the lighting in your garage. So let's get started. So I got these lights from Kami LED. I'll make sure to leave the link to their website down below. Make sure to check them out if you want to get these lights or any other lights that they have. So without further ado, let me show you these lights. When it comes to shipping, I got these lights really fast. They sent them out and it got here within 2 or 3 days. They have warehouses all over the country. Now the lights I went with are 2x2 LED surface mount panel lights. Also with these surface mount lights, they come in 6 packs. So that's perfect for me because I have 6 lights I need to change. We got the top of the box open. This is how it was sent to me. Pretty well packaged, nice and snug. Now let's pull the first light out and check it out. So now that we have it fully out of the packaging, it comes with wire nuts as well as screws and hardware to mount it to your ceiling. This is what the panel light looks like. It's super sleek and minimalistic, which I like, and it'll blend in with the ceiling really well. When you flip it around to the back here, you see the mounting plate it comes with, which this just slides on and off, and it actually mounts to a regular box in the ceiling. It also comes with 1.5 feet long, roughly, a wire to tie into that junction box at your ceiling. When it comes to the specs about this light, it's a 40-watt light, which at 3000 Kelvin, it's roughly about 4,400 lumens, which is almost twice as much as these lights are putting out. Also, these are triac dimmer compatible, so if you want to dim them, you can. I'm not going to need to dim them because I'm in a garage, so I always want a ton of light in the garage. But that is a nice feature to have if you're installing them in an office or something like that. Another thing I want to show you is how this actually mounts to the ceiling itself. So it has this plate right here which slides off. So this is actually gonna mount to the wall itself, and then when the light's ready to install, it's gonna slide back on just like how we took it off. The last thing I wanna show you with these lights is you can select the color of the lights. So you can do 5000K, 4000K, or 3000K. With it being a garage, I'm gonna put mine on 5000K, and we'll see how it is. So now that we've taken a look at the light, let's get to installing them. The first thing you wanna do with any electrical project is make sure you cut the power to whatever you're working on. And in my case, that's just hitting the switch. So now that my garage lights are off, I could also turn off the breaker to them if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm working in the garage and I can easily see if someone's gonna turn the switch on or off. All right, so now that we're at the old light, we need to take it down. So now I got all my wires out and exposed. I got my hot, my neutral, and my ground, and then there's 2 wires of each coming out. That's because all the lights tie together. So now I'm gonna take my panel and I'm gonna slide it on and take the screws that they provided, start screwing it in the hole. Now that the 2 screws are in, you wanna make sure that this is even with your walls on both sides. The way you can do that is you can measure from this side to a wall and then this far side to a wall, and that'll tell you if you're even. Now that everything looks nice, even, and plumb, I'm gonna mark the 6 holes they have on this bracket so that I can put drywall anchors in and then fully mount the bracket. Now that your holes are marked, take the bracket off. Then you're just gonna spin your bracket out of the way. So it does come with hardware, which you can use. I'm actually gonna use my own drywall anchors because I think they're easier to install, but like I said, it does have hardware, so feel free to use the hardware they provide. So I got my drywall anchors, now I need to screw them in the 6 holes. Now that the 6 holes are drilled, slide the bracket back and mount it in place. So when it comes to hanging up the light now, it comes with these little hanging tabs, and all you need to do is clip them into each side. While you're up here, you also want to make sure you have it on the right setting, which I have it on the 5000 Kelvin, which is what I want. Take your green wire and hook it to the exposed copper wire. Now go to your neutral, white wire with white wire, and thread them together. And lastly, hook your black wire to the other black wire, which is your hot, and put them together with a wire nut. Now that that's all done, push your wires up in there. Now that your wires are in the box, you just need to slide the light on. And and just like that, you have a nice bright light. So that's how easy it was to install that light. So now I need to go do 5 more, and I'll show you guys the final product. And just like that, the other 5 lights are installed. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I definitely can tell there is more light in this garage already, which I'm super happy about, as it's gonna help my experience in this garage, whether it be working on vehicles or my home improvement projects. Now, when it comes to my overall thoughts of the lights, I have to say, I like them. I like that you're able to select the color you want, as some people would prefer warm white versus cool white, and I like how easy it was to install these lights. The whole process took me about 15 minutes per light after the first one, which in all honesty is not bad at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I enjoyed this project. Again, a huge shout out to Kami LED for sponsoring this video. If you like these lights that I bought and think you have a good fit for them, make sure to check out Kami LED. The link will be down below in the description. Go to their website and they got plenty of products for you to choose from. Thank you for watching this video. This wouldn't be possible without you, the viewer. I hope you guys like this project, and leave a comment down below for other projects you want to see in the future, whether it be something with my garage or anything else around my house. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good rest of your day.